Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you in this tutorial how to create a railing wall uh, as per your design. Before we start, if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and click bell icon to receive any new tutorial, and don't forget to like and share. So let's start. Okay, first of all I create a wall. Okay, I draw wall. Okay, and select this one, attach to level 2. Okay, I copy this wall. Okay, and copy this wall here. Okay, I create this three type of wall, and and after that I will show you how to create a railing as per your design. Okay, so go to 3D view, this three type of wall. Okay, number first I create this wall. This is the straight wall. Okay, and I want to create this wall. Go to edit profile. Okay, and go to south elevation. I draw, for example, this is, I want to just to clear your concept. Okay, and like this. Okay, and click this palette and delete this one, top line. Okay, and finish. So go to 3D. See, I select the shade. Now see this wall like this. This is as per your pyramid design or boundary wall design. And the other one, I click this one and select the profile, and no need to go south elevation. This is just only for beginner, and click here. For example, this is a slope. I delete this one and palette this one. Okay, and finish. So click the 3D. Now this is like a slope wall, ramp wall, and this is pyramid wall as per your design, and this is the straight wall. So how I create a railing in this three type of wall. Okay, so first of all I click in this 3D, I click the structure and here railing. Okay, railing, and pick a host. Okay, pick new host and click this wall. Okay, now click this pick line, and I need offset 10 centimeters. Okay, 0.10. Click this line and finish. Okay, see, the railing is create automatically here. Okay, the same way now I need to create here. So I go to railing. Okay, pick new host, click this wall and pick line. This is up to you. You need 20 centi, 10 centi, 5 centimeter. This up to you. And I click the 10 centimeter and click the wall and finish. See, the railing is create as per your design. And I need also here. So go to railing pick new host, click the wall and pick line, need offset 10 centimeter. This is from this corner to inside 10 centimeter I need. Okay, so finish. Okay, now this is create a, I hope you understand this railing as you want. Okay, if you download a family railing, you download from internet and match property, so this railing is convert to this railing. So I will show you how to do that. So I have a family railing. Okay, I click here. This is the new, this is family which I download from internet, and if you want to create, is this is up to you. I copy Control C and go to my project, and I select here Control V. Okay, see, now I paste this railing here. Now I want to this railing convert like this, so I click this railing here, match property, match type properties. I click this one, select this and click, so the railing is convert to like this. And you can download from Revit family this railing, and you can create, and after I will create a one tutorial how to create a railing is according to your design. And click this one, match property, again this will change, click this one again and change, so delete this one